There is a waterfall in North Georgia mountains that most hikers walk right past because you don't actually have to hike to see it. This is Waters Creek inside the Wildlife Management Area outside Cleveland, Georgia. About 2.5 hours from Atlanta, off a quiet stretched creek road, the forest opens to reveal this. A cold mountain stream cutting through smooth granite, dropping into a series of falls before pulling into a natural swimming hole. Here's what makes it different. No mile-long trail, no steep climb. The main falls sit right off the road. It's really amazing, don't you think so? You park, walk a short distance, and you're standing at the edge of the water. For a mountain waterfall, that kind of access is rare. The water is clear enough to see straight to the rock underneath, but it's cold, even in the middle of the summer. It's straight off the mountain, so don't expect a warm lake day. Bring water shoes, the rocks get slick. The Water Creeks is also known for trout, rainbow trout, stocked and wild. Running through these pools, if you are fishing, then you need, permission and Wildlife Management Area stamp. This is managed land. It's not just a park. It's a small spot, but it's near a perfect score. Visitors keep coming back for the same reason. My experience was amazing. There's real easy access, real beauty, and the Mountain Creek experience was without an effort. If you ever drive through Cleveland, Georgia, this is what the short detour. Waters Creek Day use area proof that sometimes the best views don't require a hike at all.